Hello, y'all. It's 2:50 p.m. in the afternoon. So, you're not going to shut me up, and you ain't going to shut my supporters up. So, you're illegally blocking my supporters from talking to me. You keep lagging the live streams. So, and keep turning the screen black and erasing time off of my live streams and everything. So I'm gonna do a regular video and talk about what I need to talk about. So the weather is so bad today that tomorrow. Well, I don't know what time it's supposed to start raining today. My anxiety is really high. My words ain't even coming out right. I'm so upset. So, I tried to live stream, and I noticed after 10 minutes, my regular supporter subscribers had not come in. But they probably tried, but fake Darnell's probably been illegally hacking in and blocking them. So I'm doing a regular video. And so last night, I think I went to bed at 1:30 in the morning after taking my shower. And I tried the vanilla flavor of the Oreo Cakesters. Tasted like powdered donuts to me. I'm not sure if I'll ever buy those again. But excuse me. This morning, I had no breakfast, but I had Dairy Queen for lunch, and that's the last of my little money. I think I have $1.50 left to spare. So I don't know what time today the weather is supposed to get bad and start raining. And it's supposed to rain either this afternoon or tonight and rain all day and all night. All night and overnight. It's supposed to rain all night and overnight. And I think all day tomorrow and have bad weather. So I need help with I got one more bath worth of soap. Excuse me. I just got me some more trash bags and rubbing alcohol. I just need I need help with more of my soap. Hi y'all. Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all need me to leave? Oh, okay. So excuse me, I need more of my soap and trying to get some more lavender oil. And I wish I had a way to get my laundry done. And because certain hotels and motels don't have laundry facilities. Some do, some don't. So I'm spraying so much because they got these big mosquito, look like big light brown mosquitoes. Excuse me. So yeah, I need help with food, bus fare. I wish I had a way to get laundry done. And I need help with 2 hotel nights. They raised the prices on the weekends to remind me reminding y'all that they raised the prices on the weekends. So I desperately need 2 hotel rooms. I mean, 2 hotel nights. And so I need 2 hotel nights. And my anxiety is really high. That's why I'm sounding like repetitive. I don't know why my anxiety is high right now. But I need 2 hotel nights. They raise the prices on weekends. Depending on if I get help and it's already raining, then I might need help with the Uber. You know. So I need help with 2 hotel nights ASAP. Plus soap. I mean, my soap that I use. And it would be nice if I could have some more lavender oil. And it would be nice if I could get my laundry done. But the urgent need right now is 2 hotel nights plus food and my soap. That's the most urgent things I need right now. I mean, even if someone can help me with $100 this afternoon or this evening, the earlier the better. And 2 hotel night. I mean, if someone can help me with $125 this evening, and then $125 tomorrow morning before checkout, or if people could start pitching in, if 25 people could pitch in $10 out of over 4,000 subscribers, there gotta be, I know at least 25 people out of there can help me meet my goal with 250. Pitching in $10 each through the CashApp and helping me with 200. A total of $250. And but I wanted to work on some fiction, short stories, and writing, but I think I'm pressed. Maybe not. Maybe I can work on it right after I get off here. So the weather is gonna be bad tonight and tomorrow, and hold up. So, excuse me. So the weather is going to be bad enough that they're canceling or postponing Mardi Gras parades tomorrow. I don't know if they're canceling or postponing any tonight or what time this evening the rain is supposed to start. But as I said, I have hi. I'm fine. Oh, okay. Oh. Look like y'all must have had a king cake contest or something.
We just had a king cake Girl Scout.
Oh, girl. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Awesome. Yeah, sometimes people will have a king cake party or a king cake contest or something. But they said they did it for Girl Scouts. Excuse me. So, in the most recent community post, I mentioned about Fake Darnell illegally hacking in and blocking my supporters from commenting on my videos. He keeps lagging the stream, and he does everything criminal that you can imagine. I've never in my entire life heard of somebody like him before. and he's demon possessed with legion. You know, like he seeks to be more and more possessed. And then another thing fake Darnell had done was you know, he illegally used my email to sign me up for like Google Calendar for some fake Zoom meeting with some more perks. Of course I'm not going to attend that. You know, I blocked he's using my email to subscribe me to any and every freaking thing bad and evil. Who are you to think you got the fake authority to try to coerce a Christian to become satanic? And what do you want with me? One moment he acts like he's in love with me, and the next moment he acts like he wants me dead. And the next moment he's acting like he's disgusted at me and thinking I'm gross. But then, how are you telling me cut my nasty nails? They're long and broken off because of me being depressed. But they're not dirty. They're long and broken off, but they're not dirty. But I wash my hair every time I take a shower, you know, in the hotel rooms and stuff. But, you know, he would harass me and tell me, comb that nappy ass hair. But then he wants to talk about my sexy dark chocolate booty when I'm lighter caramel complected. I'm not even burnt caramel. I'm considered caramel lighter brown skin complexion. You know, between light brown and medium brown. The lighter aspect of medium brown skin. So, I mean, if you think I'm so disgusting, why you act like you're lusting over me and acting like you got sexual desire for me or something? You know, I mean, I don't know. He switches back and forth. When he is the fake Darnell Williams character, he will act like he's in love with me. Either that or threatening to throw me in the river. But then when he goes into the fake Joseph Camus or Marshall Camus character, he'll act like as if he hates everything I do and very disgusted. And the fake seal hater character, he will it's all the same one perp. And the fake seal hater character will you know, is the main one that illegally posts my the address or location of where I'm at. But sometimes fake Darnell does too. But I caught the fake Joseph Camus perp, who is also fake Darnell. I caught him speaking bad against my twin sister too. I'm like, did you betray her? Because you, I mean, if the fake Joseph Camus perp and fake Darnell, they're the same perp, but my twin sister's friends with fake Darnell, but then the fake Joseph Camus perp, who's the same person, she having feud with him, but then she says she's sworn to secrecy to never reveal fake Darnell's actual identity. So, if anything happens where I get murdered, question my twin sister and fake Darnell. If anything happens where I disappear or die, they need to be questioned. I'm getting off here, and I gotta use the bathroom, and I'm gonna try to work on another short story. The one I tried to share yesterday, please link in the community post. I tried to share it again today. And also, lastly, please keep me in your prayers In Jesus' name. The Christian prayers.